When you're alone and life is making you lonely, you can always go downtown. When you've got worries, all the noise and the hurry seem to help, I know. Downtown. Just listen to the music of the traffic in the city. Linger on the sidewalk where the neon signs are pretty. How can you lose? The lights are much brighter there. You can forget all your troubles, forget all your cares, and go downtown. Things will be great when you're downtown. No matter place for sure. Downtown, everything's waiting for you.
No matter what you want to do in life, life takes Visa.
In 3 days, experience the funniest, most original comedy in years.
Excellent.
In Disney Digital 3D.
Don't repeat everything I say.
I won't repeat everything you say.
Meet the Robinsons, rated G.
Stop laughing.
Stop laughing.
Starts Friday in select theaters at Disney Digital 3D.
Yeah.